Frozen Bhindi gosht. How we make frozen Bhindi gosht. Frozen okra makes meat in a new way. Take oil in a pan with which we will fry the okra. Now add the frozen okra in it and fry it well. Now we will take out the fried okra in a plate and add chicken in the same oil and fry it well. When the chicken is fried, we will add tomatoes inside it. Add garlic, ginger paste and green chopped chilies. Fry it well. Turmeric, salt, red pepper and ground spices will be added to it. Now add finely chopped onions in it. And when the onions are fried well in it, then we will add the fried okra in it. Now we will garnish it with green coriander.
Alhamdulillah!